it's Pam and I am here at Hobby Lobby. Let's go check out their organizing supplies. If you're looking for adorable storage solutions for various odds and ends that are cluttering up your home, look no further. Hobby Lobby has aisle after aisle of storage bins and baskets for you to choose from. They're sure to match any household decor. And in case there are any question, you can just put your stuff here. This cute storage tote has endless possibilities when it comes to storage. You could store anything in this roomy top compartment here. Then simply pull down the front panel and use these 4 storage bins to house smaller items. These smaller bins even have dividers inside to customize your storage needs. I love that option. When you're finished, simply close up the front panel and this tote is ready to travel anywhere. It even comes in a much larger size too. This could be a perfect solution for storing tool supplies in the garage as well. Oh, I am loving this adorable storage cabinet with wicker baskets. I think I'd like to take 2, please. Hobby Lobby also carries a large assortment of Sterilite storage containers. They are one of my favorite go-to brands of bins for organizing. These bins come in small, medium, and large sizes and would make any pantry look very clean, very neat, and very organized. I use these 3-drawer stackable modules all the time with my clients. They're great for under the sink organizing, craft organizing, and I've also used them with office organizing as well. I always love a bin that has a tight snap top lid. Oh, and check out the label on this really useful box. That's so hysterical. Check out these colorful storage bins. This is a 9-piece set with 3 different sized organizers inside of 1 large container. Oh, and they also have a 7-piece set too. Oh, now this bin is just too cute. And here are more awesome Sterilite bins. I really like these bins. They have secure lids that snap off and on really easily. They're stackable, and with the handle, they're very portable. Okay, now this is the ultimate storage system. Now they say it's a craft storage collection, but I could see this being used to keep office supplies organized too. These are modular parts that you can mix and match. First, they have this 4-drawer organizing cube. You can see how it's used in this setup. Here's the 3-drawer storage cube with wider but shallower drawers. They also have this plain cube organizer that they show at the bottom here. So you can mix and match these modules to create a storage system that matches your own personal needs. I love it. And finally, check out all of these other decorative and colorful storage boxes Hobby Lobby has to offer. They really have every possible storage box for any possible decor that will match any type of personality. Ooh, that was so much fun. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me that big old thumbs up, poke that like button below, and if you're new to my channel, please go ahead and poke that subscribe button as well, and ring the bell so you know every time I'm uploading a new video. I'm Pam with Organizer Easy 911. I'll see you next time. This video, why don't you check out one of these over here? And don't forget, the links to my socials are found below.